Hello and welcome. My name is Giselle Jaimes, and I'm a fourth-year undergraduate student in the psychology major at Central Washington University.
And my name is Hun Vo. I am a third year undergraduate student also in the psychology major at Central Washington University. Our poster is titled Improving Student Outcomes Through Growth Mindset, Micro-Messaging, and Appreciative Advising. In this research, we were interested in how our words matter. That is, how advisors have opportunities to shape consequential student outcomes through small changes in language embedded in everyday communications. Specifically, we examined the effect of advisor micromessages related to growth mindset and appreciative advising approaches on a range of positive student outcomes. Growth mindset centers on neuroplasticity and the idea that traits such as intelligence are malleable, while appreciative advising focuses on connection and support in the student-advisor relationship.
Across two studies and diverse student populations, we asked participants to imagine having contacted their advisor about a challenging class. We then randomly assigned participants to receive one of three advisor communications in response. In both Study 1 and Study 2, participants saw one of three conditions, either a growth mindset micro-messaging communication, which included words and short phrases that encouraged effort, strategy, and growth, an appreciative advising micro-messaging communication, emphasizing warmth in the student-advising relationship and recognition of past successes, or an information-only control condition, which focused exclusively on policy. We wanted to note that the only difference in methodology is wording reflecting university policy surrounding dropping a course. After students read the advising communication, we measured affective and behavioral outcomes, including feelings of support, persistence, and confidence, through a series of questions which were presented in a survey.
Results suggested that the micro-messaging communication conditions led to more positive student outcomes compared to the information-only communications. This was true overall, and specifically for feelings of support and behavioral persistence, which is shown on the graph on the left-hand side. Importantly, the positive effects of micro-messaging were found to be larger for students belonging to underrepresented groups. In the current studies, this pertains to our students of color and first-generation students, but appear to have little additional benefits for other students as shown in the graph on the right-hand side. This research suggests that more interpersonal everyday interactions with advisors can have a profound impact on student outcomes, especially when it involves individuals from underserved populations who may face more challenges, such as less preparation for college, limited access to resources, stereotype threats.
Based on the current research, we believe empowering advisors with communication toolkits containing carefully selected language, such as pre-drafted templates, is one practical application of this research. Such an application has the potential to help these key student support members directly contribute to closing achievement gaps as they incorporate the type of messaging described here, especially for first-generation students and students of color. The current study adds to the extensive and long-standing body of research that demonstrates how much our words matter, highlighting the opportunity we have to shape consequential student outcomes through small changes in language embedded in everyday advising communications. Thank you for your time and attention.